In this video, I will go over how to change your address in Santander online banking. So doing this is fairly simple. What you want to do is first just sign into the online banking space, which you can do by going to the link right there, so retail.santander.co.uk, and just gonna sign into your account. From there you need to go to the My Details and Settings page, which you will usually find in the top menu. From there you will find your address and you can select Change Your Address under Personal Details. Now enter your new address and confirm the effective date and then submit it, and this is an instant update, or at least it will go in on the effective date, and if you do it online there is usually no need to visit a branch. So that's how to change your address in Santander online banking. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.